everybody, welcome to the channel of Two Broke Doctors. This is Dr. Ria. Today we are going to talk about the latest updates which is given by MCC regarding NEET PG Counselling 2024. As we all know, there were two updates which came yesterday about the NEET PG Counselling 2024. We are going to discuss about that very soon. As we all know that round 3 has been started from 26th of December 2024. The registration window has already been started since then, and according to the schedule, the choice filling date, the last date of choice filling was scheduled to be 31st December. But many candidates inquired about it that their choice filling have not yet started yet. In their portal, the choice filling window is not available. They are not able to fill the choices. What is happening? Also, MCC has not given new schedule about the choice filling, that they are extending the choice filling or that they're delaying it. So what will happen to the NEET PG Counselling 2024? We are going to discuss about it. Okay. Also, backstory is that there is a court case filed in High Court, Delhi High Court, regarding the PWD seats filed by the PWD candidates. So what happens basically, every year there is a reduction in the cutoff percentile. Last year, reduction in the cutoff percentile was there. This year, usually this cutoff percentile, reduction in cutoff percentile happens around round 3 or in the straight round. And what happens to the PWD seats? If they are not filled by the PWD candidates, they are converted into general seats. Okay, but this year what happened is that the round 3 has been started, registration has been started, and round 3 ka choice filling also has to end by 31st December. But still they have not declared anything about the reduction in the cutoff percentile. That's why PWD candidates filed the case in the High Court regarding the same, that either you do the reduction in the cutoff percentile in this particular round only, or you convert the PWD seats, unfilled PWD seats, into general seats in the straight round. Do either one of them. Okay. So for that, High Court has asked Government of India that what are you doing? Why didn't you reduce the cutoff percentile? For which Government of India has replied that we are already discussing about reduction of the cutoff percentile, and we will reduce it by 2nd of January 2025. So if that happens, if they release any information regarding that they have reduced the cutoff percentile, the next hearing of the court is to be scheduled on 3rd January 2025. That will be dismissed, because if they have already reduced the cutoff percentile, then there is no point in the court case. So that is the whole scenario, that is the whole backstory, that's why it is getting delayed, that's why the choice filling is not available to you yet. Okay. So for that, now we are coming forward. Okay, so because of this particular case, there are so many scenarios, there are so many outcomes that can happen. So we are going to discuss about each and everything here. So regarding first, because if they reduce the cutoff percentile, then more candidates will be eligible for round 3. And if more candidates will be eligible for round 3, then the registration window might open again. Okay, so one thing that we all can expect is that registration window might open again. Second thing is, because choice filling is not yet available to us, and also they have to reduce the cutoff percentile. So if they reduce the cutoff percentile, then the choice filling will 101% extend. Okay, they might start on the 3rd of January or later maybe, and they might release a schedule about it very soon. Okay. So the good part is that the choice filling will be available to you very soon. Okay. The third thing is that how much reduction in the cutoff percentile will happen. Guys, we can't say how much reduction in the cutoff percentile can happen. Every year, cutoff reduction basically happens due to different reasons, and there are different stories behind it. Last year, the cutoff reduction was 0 percentile. We don't know if this year that will happen or not. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope that everybody gets their desired seat. Let's hope that the reduction in the percentile happens according to everybody's choice. Okay. So that's it about the scenarios. Also, MCC has released 2 notifications yesterday regarding 2 prominent things. First was that they have extended the resignation window of round 1 and round 2 seats by 4th of January 2025. So that is a very good news. Because of that, the choice filling, I think, will be after 4th of January only. So the good thing is that till 4th of January you have so much of time in your hand. Please try to make the list of all the choices you want to fill, because you can't, because see, whenever you fill the choices, you only get a 12-minute window period, okay, to fill your choices, and then you have to log in again, and then you have to start doing it again. Because of this, so many people do mistakes. They mismatch their sequence of choice filling. Sometimes they fill the choices which they don't want, and they fill it above, and with the choices which they want, they fill it below. So because of that, they don't get their desired seat. Okay, so what you can do right now is that you can take a piece of paper, write your choices. If you have too many options, if you want to write too many options, you write it on the piece of the paper. So when the choice filling will be available, you don't have to be confused about every choices. The choices will be written in your paper, and you can just type the college name and type the branch name, and you can fill orderly sequence wise. Okay, so that will help you in not making mistakes during choice filling, and that will help you in getting your desired seat. That's what we can say. Also, stay tuned for more further updates, for more fresh updates. Also, you can keep visiting the MCC websites very regularly, so that you don't miss out on any information regarding it. Also, if you want, you can follow us on Instagram, Two Broke Doctors, where we post about each and every brand new information that MCC gives us. Also, if you want, we basically provide free counseling services. So if you want to know about any particular college, if you want to know about any particular branch, or if you want to know where are you going to go, you can DM us on Insta. Our Instagram ID is Two Broke Doctors, or you can comment down here. We will reply to you pakka 101%. And please share this video as much as possible, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.